Hello students, today I will start new chapter getting started with Python. First of all, I would like to tell you some basic information about Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language. Python is a high level programming language. It supports the concept of object oriented paradigm. Python supports the concept of OOPS. Concept of OOPS. So it is also known as object oriented programming language. Since Python supports the concept of OOPS, so it is known as object oriented programming language. Before Python, there are several programming languages are available in the market, such as C, C++, Java, Visual Basic, like that. The competition of Python with most popular programming languages that are C++, Java, and C. But there is some goodness in the Python. So, in many situations, Pythons are preferred. Means Python programming language is preferred to use in many applications. Students, read these statements here. Some basic information about the Python are given. Now let us see some advantages of Python. Why Python becomes more popular? Why Python programming language is used in applications? It is certain it has some goodness. That's why it is used. And in your syllabus, Python is added from last 2 years. Before this, in your syllabus, there is a C++ programming language. But C++ is replaced by the Python. It means Python has some goodness. Python has some powerful tools that is able to handle the situations. Now let us see the advantage of Python programming language. Students, now let us see the advantages of Python programming language. I have told you Python supports the concept of object-oriented paradigm. What is the object-oriented paradigm? I am not explaining OOPS concept to you because it is not in your syllabus. That's why I am skipping it. But for your knowledge, I would like to give simple introduction about OOPS concept. OOPS concept looks entire object of the world in the form of objects. Entire things of the world in the form of object. I mean it categorizes the things with their characteristics and behavior. And Python programming language implements this concept easily and simply. So, the first advantage, easy to use. Python programming language is easy to use for the users and programmer also. Why it is easy to use? Because it has simple syntax rule than other programming languages. That's why it is easy to use. Because its syntax, its rule to write the code are very simple than other programming languages. Second advantage, it is expressive language. What do you mean by expressive? Expressive means it is capable, it is more capable to express the codes. It is more capable to express the code than other programming languages. I think you are able to understand the code purpose. It is is more capable to express the code purpose. Code purpose means what user or programmer wants from the program, from the instruction. Alright? That's why it is an expressive programming language. The reason that make it expressive, that make it more capable than other programming languages, it uses fewer lines of code and simple syntax rule. Now let us see the third advantage of Python. It is an interpreted language. It is an interpreted language. C and C++ both are not interpreted language, both are compiled language. Compiler and interpreter, these are the two programs that is used to convert high level languages into low level languages. In the case of Python, Python uses the interpreter. Interpreter use करता है. That's why it is known as interpreted language. Means what happens in the interpreting? I means what interpreter do? Interpreter executes the program line by line. It express and execute the codes line by line, not entire code at a time. That's why this concept make it easy to debug the errors in the code and suitable for beginners as well as advanced users. Now let us see the fourth point. Now let us see the fourth point. Its completeness. What do you mean by completeness? Completeness means it gives all the tools that is required to complete the user or programmer's work. Yes, it means when you install the Python in your system, then you get everything. It means it provides you all tools to do your real work. You do not need to install and download the additional library to do your work. That's why it is known as it says that Python is a complete programming language. It provides the complete tool to solve the users or programmers task when a user installs Python in his or her system. No any other tools are required to complete the user's task. Python is sufficient. Python has sufficient tool. Python provides sufficient facility to their users to complete the work. Fifth point, it is a cross-platform language. Cross-platform means it can be used in all operating systems. Means in Python programming language runs on Windows operating system, on Linux operating system, on Unix operating system, on Mac operating system. Equally, nothing is required additional for run the programs on these different operating systems. One more thing that make it cross-platform, it supports from supercomputer to smartphone also. It means a program, application that is made with the help of Python programming language, you can run that program on supercomputer as well as on smartphone also. So it equally supports supercomputers, mainframe computers, desktop, smartphone. It equally supports Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac operating system. this feature of the Python make Python cross-platform language. Now let us see the sixth advantage. It is free and open source. It is free and open source. What do you mean by the open source? Open source means it can be modified, its feature can be improved by any user or programmer. Free means it is freely available on the internet. There is no need to pay the amount to install or download the Python software in your system. That's why it is free and open source. And the last advantage, last point is students, let us see the last point. It is used for variety of application. Python programming language is used for variety of applications in different devices. In these days, Python is being used in many devices for many applications. Some of which are for scripting purpose. Python is used for scripting purpose. Python is used in web application. Python is used for system administration purpose. Python is used to make the graphical user interface programs, and Python is used for database applications. So it is clear Python has a lot of advantages. So in these days it is very popular. Also it is a high level programming language. It has simple sentence rule, means rules to write the code. So it also supports the OOPS concept. Due to all these qualities of the Python, nowadays Python is going to become a very popular programming language. Day by day, as users' needs are increasing, enhancing, and this programming language helps to fulfill their needs. After all these advantages, still Python programming language is facing some drawbacks. In the next video, in the next lecture, I will discuss about the drawbacks of Python programming language. Thank you.